Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to look into the Microsoft SQL and instance updates, and what are the latest features and what are the core responsibilities we can done by the Azure SQL Server. So yeah, let we start our video from the Azure SQL managed instance updates from 2024. It's instance it first of all we have to look into the instance pools. Instance pools are generally available. We can use instance pool to create cost effective 2-week core instances. This present has an attractive option for running small SQL Server workloads like in a managed service while keeping costs comparable to or even below the cost of running SQL servers on Azure VM. So yeah, we can use it fabric mirroring peer review. So yeah, it's enabling you to seamlessly replicate your optional data into Fabric One, and leverage the power of Microsoft Fabric for analytic reporting, AI and more, without having to set up an ETL you can say extract, Terraform, load pipelines, and that is continuously replicated in near real time into an open data format and available to all Fabric workloads. Here is the diagrammatic representation. So yeah, we can also look into free SQL AMI for everyone almost. So free offer, you can test your SQL workloads in the cloud using Azure SQL Managed Instance for free. This refresh brings support for many subscription types such as enterprise segment support, Azure plans, various virtual studios and tab type subscriptions, and etc. So here's a virtual representation here. You can see the estimated cost per month receipt. So yeah, so we can move earlier this year. Vector and JSON supported in preview, where we can have the vector support, a power application, native JSON support, where we have a SQL JSON block, means JSON data type seamlessly. So yeah, it's it's also a GA of disaster recovery with ML in for the SQL Server 2022. The next generation general purpose service styles. It brings better performance and to 500 user database for the same price. It's enable more flexibility, allowing to purchase additional ops without increasing reserve for storage. Here you can see the virtual representation here. So yeah, simplified lower backups prices where the simplified where so yeah, that's all. So let's have the view how we can carry SQL into a Windows virtual machine. So on portal, so we have to get an Azure subscription, sign to the portal, select Azure SQL, select hat to select SQL deployment option for convenience SQL Server VM. So select create. We have to you can simply choose these clients. Here's create. We have to select this information here. It's depend on the SQL Server 2008 and SQL Server 2002 are out of extended support and no longer available from the Azure marketplace. Keep it in mind. It's all the selection depends on your requirements. Provide basic details to deploy conventional SQL Server on Azure VM on the basic tab. In the project details, you can see the basic detail here under the instance type SQL, choose a location for region, virtual machine, ability option, image list, change size, this type administrator account. You inbound apart roles allow RDP if you want to connect to the RDP. Here you can see the SQL Server settings, or the SQL Server setting tabs, networking security, ASP authentication, and like this authentication here. So after that, create the SQL Server VM and the review plus create tab. We can like create SQL VM, connect to the SQL Server in the portal, find the IP address of your SQL Server VM in the overview section. So you can find it here. So we can connect it to the SQL Server, log into the VM remotely or by the Azure VM connection. That connect button, open the RDP file. Don't worry, we have like we will review into all this, repeat all this by hands-on experience on the lab video. Like or maybe the next video will be a live video. uh, After you can connect the Server Virtual Machine, you can launch the SQL Server Management Studio. You can also clean up the resources if you don't have, do not need to SQL, like if you do not need to your SQL VM to run continuously. Yeah. So you can avoid like unnecessary charges topping it. So when it's not in use, you can also permanently delete all its associated with the virtual machine by deleting associated software in the portal. So just permanently delete the virtual machine as well. So use this command for with like care. Yeah, that's all from today's video. We will obviously do it by hands-on experience in our next video in the lab. So keep your uh, uh, basic knowledge clear. Hopefully your basic knowledge will be clear in this video. We will look into this furthermore in our next video within the lab, where we can install and like do the next steps with our SQL database server. So yeah, that's all from today's video. If you have any queries, please comment down below. We will meet in the next video. Bye bye.